Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you some Qigong exercises that you can do to naturally improve circulation to the hands, increase mobility, and hopefully ease some of that arthritis discomfort. But before we begin, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel to support free Qigong videos on YouTube. And if you'd like to expand your practice, join me live every Sunday on Zoom. You can consider joining my membership site. You can find all the information on my website in the description below, or if you click right in this corner. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice. So I'm going to be doing this routine standing up, but feel free to adjust. You can do it sitting down on the edge of a chair, sofa, or even in bed. So we're going to focus primarily on the upper body and the hands as we're trying to increase circulation. I'm going to start by massaging the hands. Make sure you keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Your whole body is nice and relaxed. There is no tension. Bring your awareness to your palms, the center of your palm, and your fingers. As your hands begin to feel nice and warm, we're going to take that warmth to the back of the hands. Rub the side, the pinky, the back, and the thumb. Then do the same on the other side. Very good. And go ahead and gently dry wash your hands. Taking the warmth between the fingers, around to the back, so you feel your hands becoming nice and warm. Very good. Then wrap one hand around the wrist. And applying a little pressure, massage the area. Go slowly here, taking your time to feel the warmth from one hand penetrating through the skin. Just paying attention. Then we change sides. Feel how your wrists begin to respond to the warmth. It should feel nice and pleasant. Very good. We're going to dry wash the hands one more time. And relax. Already notice if you feel any different. Then we're going to pull the area between each finger. Just pull towards you, changing hands every time. One more, and we relax again. Next, we're gonna go ahead and pinch the nail, the tip of your finger. So pinch quite hard, so you feel that sensations. Then move down to the next one. Pinch and release. Pinch and release. Pinch, release. The thumb, pinch, release. Very good. Then same on the other side, on the other hand, pinch, release, hold, release, hold, release, hold, release. Last one here, and release again. Take a moment to notice what changed. The tips of your fingers should feel nice and hot almost. Very good. Next, we're gonna open the hands. So keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Soften your wrist, relax your fingers. We're going to squeeze tight as you can. And then release. And I want you to feel the difference between the two stages. The tension and then relaxation. So go ahead and follow me. Squeeze. Release. Squeeze. Release. Squeeze. Take your time here, no need to rush. I want you to feel what's happening in your hands and the fingers. Release. Squeeze. Release. One more here. Squeeze and release. Then slowly lower your hands down and feel what's happening. There's a sense of flow, the internal currents around your wrist, around your palm, around your fingers. Very good. Then go ahead and raise your hands. Now we're going to do the same, but the opposite. We're going to tense as we spread the fingers nice and wide. Go as wide as you can. And then release and just soften, as if your hands are resting on something comfy. So open and then soften. Maybe even come to a loose fist here. Open and then soften. Open, soften. So repeat after me, paying attention to your fingers in your hands. See how you feel when they open. Notice what changed when you relax. Release. Go again. Release. One more. Open. Hold, hold, hold. And we soften. Same here. Allow yourself to relax and enjoy the internal sensations, the feelings that you feel in your hands. Very, very good. Next, we're gonna open, coming from your shoulders, but focusing primarily on the center of the palm, the finger again. Open nice and wide. Then drop them down to bend your wrist, rest your fingers. Go up again, open, open, open. Release, drop them down. So we're going to add the breathe into that to make it more fun. We're going to inhale as we open. We're going to exhale as we drop. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax your elbows. Soften your wrists. And let that flow of relaxation feel down all the way to your fingers. Very, very good. We're going to open to the side, palms facing the ground. So I want you to open from the center of your chest and stretch through your fingers. Imagine as if your hands are very, very long, reach in an opposite direction. Feel your fingers extending. And then release, relax your shoulders, but keep your hands up in the air. We go again. We open, stretching through all 10 fingers. And then we soften and relax. So we inhale as we open. We exhale as we soften. Again, feel that change between tension and relaxation. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Open, open, open. And breathe out. Relax your hands down. Again, take a moment here to observe and notice how you feel, especially down from your neck, shoulders, elbows, wrists, and of course your fingers. Then we're going to push as if we're pushing against the wall. Open your palms, spread your fingers, and press to the back. Release and relax. Also, add the breathing. We inhale. We exhale. We inhale. We exhale. We inhale. We exhale. We inhale. And we exhale. Very good. Relax for a moment here. And we're going to finish with an exercise that is called Lifting the Sky. There's so many variations of this exercise, but we're going to do one that is really focusing on the wrist and the fingers. So we're going to take it very, very slowly. So bear with me. Open your hands to the side. Drop your shoulders and let your palms rest on a big cloud, on something very comfy. Stay here. Keep your palms open. Keep your fingers relaxed. Then slowly turn, palms facing the sky, and stay here for a few moments. Very slowly, raise up. Turn right above your head, palms facing the sky, and then lift yourself as if your hands are being lifted towards the sky. Palms are open, fingers spread. Then turn and very slowly again, just go down as if your hands are pressing on something in front of your body. Let them pass the chest, pass your stomach, and relax down. We go again. We open. We pause. We turn. Remember to keep breathing. Go up. Directly above the head, turn upwards and lengthen your whole body. Hold this position. Keep breathing. Then turn and gently press down, relaxing your neck, your shoulders, your chest, the sides of the body, down to your fingers. And notice what's happening. Paying attention to that internal flow. We go again. We open, rest, turn, go up, press upwards, hold this position, then turn your palms down and slowly, slowly relax. Sending that relaxation down your body, most importantly from your neck, down your shoulders, into your wrists and fingers. We do one more. We open, we rest, we turn, we go up, bend your wrist, open your palms, lift yourself. Imagine as if your hands can touch the big cloud above your head. It feels nice and warm, comforting. Then return and relax. Very importantly, so you can relax every muscle as your hands go down. And continue relaxing as we stop. You still feel that flow down, down, down. Okay, very good. And then gently shake it off. From your shoulders, lift and drop. Circle your elbows, soften your wrists and relax your fingers. Very good. Then pause and bring your awareness, bring your attention to your arms, your palms, and your fingers. How they feel. Notice the difference. Move around. Very, very good. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you feel much better. I hope you got that circulation going so you can practice this routine on a daily basis. So thank you very much for watching. I wish you a good day and I'll see you soon.